A very smart founder came up with a great idea, took it into a real-world application, and a great team of people who work on continuous improvement in a true form. We're one of the only appliance manufacturers left in New Zealand.
I'm Hilder, the founder of Kaffelogic. The origin of the idea, I, like many of our customers, had developed a taste for fresh coffee. I had a bit of an interest in robotics and software, and when I came across the idea of developing a machine to roast coffee for myself, I thought I would give that a go. So initially, I wasn't thinking of commercialising the idea, but as I showed it to a few of my colleagues in Dunedin, people looked at it and said, actually, this is a really good idea, why don't you commercialise it? I didn't know anything at all about roasting coffee. The first stage, I suppose, was to get some control of the roasting process. My first iteration was simply to have a system using popcorn machine parts to have control over air and heat. And then once I had control over those things, I just operated everything manually and made lots and lots of notes. And I just did that to a point where I felt that I had a bit of an idea how things should go. From there, I started adding in automation. It's quite a journey from what I originally thought, but it's partly because I started out without actually knowing how to roast coffee.
It's making people understand that roasting a coffee bean at home is something that you can do. It's not something exotic, just like your espresso machine or your pour over machine, you bought your fancy grinder. Now you can do your beans at home.
We're currently sending, this year, we'll send over 5,000 units out. Selling a few hundred a month globally, being the machine that 60% of international coffee competitions are won on, that I could never have conceived of. Reputation is massive for us, and the performance of the machine, which is reflected around the world by professionals, really flows through to our customer base. So brand value in the Kiwi brand adds to that, no question.
There's some of the best quality manufacturing on the planet is done in this country. It's underreported, people just don't know about it, but it's vital for us continuing to have a good first world economy.
I've been really fortunate to be able to attract a fantastic team to come and work on this project, and for them it's also a passion project. Some of the people that we work with are foremost coffee roasters or foremost baristas in the world.
We have an R&D team, we have a production team. They work very hard to work out how we can make this smarter and better, and we lead the world. That's our opinion. We like to push it.
So it's a huge privilege to be able to work with the people I do. For me, the Dunedin people who've built this business deserve, to be able to continue to do it. The value for me is to have an impact on the industry, to actually increase the quality of coffee overall, increasing the value that returns to the grower.